Hey, Sue from Freestyle here. Here is your Takeaway Wednesday tip video. If you're thinking of selling your house in 2020, here are the biggest bang for your buck renovations. Number one, new roofing. Buyers pause on your home if they think the roof may need to be replaced anytime soon. So make those necessary repairs now, adding more value back in your pocket. Number two, flooring. The dollar signs start adding up for the buyers when they see the flooring needs to be replaced. So you might as well do it now anyway. Make sure your floors are clean and fresh in your home, whether they be the flooring of new carpeting or the latest new engineering flooring or even hardwood. Number three, HVAC replacement. Energy efficient upgrades will make your home even more attractive and drive a higher return on investment. Number four, vinyl siding. Give your exterior of your home a fresh, clean look so your house has the best curb appeal on the block. New siding can bring buyers in even before they open up the door. So regardless of how long you're planning on staying in your current home, it's smart to be aware of which home renovations add the most value. Hope you enjoyed these tips and stay tuned for further real estate videos. Thanks.